Hi everybody, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to change a brake on a Nissan Rouge 2013 or 2012 I think. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by pulling this big metal rusty gato that you have in your backyard somewhere, and you're gonna go ahead and put it under the car somewhere where you have some kind of foundry. I don't know how to say it, like some kind of strong household thingy foundation thing, so you don't mess up the underneath the car, you know. So you keep pumping it and you pump it real good. Oh yeah, that's how you pump it. Something similar like this. And then you're gonna need one of these protective so the car don't fall on you. Yes, so as you can see, it's real easy to adjust. And next, the simple step, you're gonna need this tool right here. It's called the snap-on. Yeah, it's called the snap-on. You're gonna need the proper head ratchet thingy that's gonna make it go and open the wheel locks. Yeah, this part is really nice. I like the sound of the head ratchet thingy. And then what you want to do is go ahead and remove the wheel and put the wheel down and adjust it to the right area of where you're going to sit next to the wheel while you change the brakes on your Nissan Rouge. And then afterwards, you're gonna need a flex ratchet thingy to move some bolts in the back off the brake thing. I think it's a capillary. Yeah, then you're gonna want to go ahead and remove these bolt things from the capillary. And when you remove these two things from the back, it's gonna enable you to remove the brake from the disc. This job can get really messy, so make sure you bring a towel. This is the bolt that you're gonna remove. This is pretty basic in all vehicles, most vehicles. So you just remove the capillary thing and you see the brake pads just come right off real easy like that. If you need to replay it, go ahead and rewind and check it again. And then when you remove the bolt thingies, you're gonna want to put this black lubricant gel thing. You can go to any of your local auto shop places and ask them for the lubricant for your brake bolt things for your caliper. You want to lubricate them because if you don't, your car's gonna have a hard time braking easily. This just allows the brake to move more smoothly. So where you go ahead and remove the original brakes is where you're gonna replace the new brakes on your car. And then you're gonna use this tool to reset your brake pump thing. See how easy that was? There are other methods to do this if you don't have that resetter thing. I haven't seen any videos, but. And then you're gonna want to go ahead and replace the bolts back where they were and put them inside back the caliper. And then make sure you wipe your hands because it can get really messy. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and start bolting them back in the proper way, because if you don't, it's gonna look you might not do it right if you don't. Yeah, it's kind of basic. This part of the job can get really fun. Don't ask me why. Once you learn how to change a brake pad and stuff, you'll be like a Mr. Chingon. People are gonna think you're the shit, you know, and you're gonna get all the ladies. They're gonna say, "Hey man, can you change my brake pad?" And you tell them, ladies, "Yeah, no problem, baby." And then the next step is you're gonna take your chair, which was once a tire, which was once a chair, which is now gonna be a tire again. You're gonna want to go ahead and put it back on your wheel thing, And then you're gonna want to screw these bolts back in with your snap-on thing, but there's like a certain way that you have to screw them back in. You don't want to just go around in a circle and screw them in with the machine. You gotta kind of do like a star, like this. You see, kind of like a star. Crisscross applesauce. Yeah. And you want to just continue doing that. And make sure you bring a towel, because sometimes you can get sweaty and dirty hands, and you don't want to touch your face with all this tire smut. And make sure you shave once a week too. And ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. You remove the original things that you put under. You lower the car. Oh yeah, just like that. You lower it back on the ground. And then you gotta go and pump your brakes a few times before you start it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.